What's up, guys? Welcome to a chart breakdown. I'm gonna start doing these more often. So basically, what it's gonna be is we're gonna hop on the charts. I'm gonna break down the charts, show you guys what I'm looking at, and any trades that I'm looking to take. Not really a signal. Not telling you guys to buy or sell, but just an overall breakdown of the charts and what I'm looking at. So this is gold on the daily time frame. My black lines are daily daily levels. Blue lines are 4 hour levels in between. Now, gold here made a big push here and been using this as support. So if you guys notice from here, we was using it as resistance. You guys could see the wick retest, rejected, and push up. Now, it's important to see how price moved once it was coming up here. Like, there was no basically sellers trying to stop this level. So there is no interest of trading in this level. So now that we're using this as support, if we do break down and retest here and stay underneath, we could see gold make a good move to the downside. But we trade price action, so we have to wait for price to come here and let us know, like, yeah, we're going down, sellers are defending this level. But based off the shorter time frame, what is actually happening here, we have these levels here, which we've been consolidating in between, which is going to be all this resistance here, and we have support here. So whenever you have basically the market just bouncing in between levels, so if you have a level here, let's do this one, it actually looks better, so we're gonna do this one. So if you have resistance here and you have support here, you want to take trades basically near this line or near this line. I'm gonna tell you guys why, right? So if the market is sitting here and just consolidating, right? If price is in between and you take a trade, if your target is either going to be here or here, because you don't know if once we come here we're going to reject and push down, or if we're going to come here and push up. So you cannot just hold a trade and expect this to go up. So if you take a trade here, you have a 50-50 chance. It's either going to go here or it's either going to go here. Now, if you do take a trade here, I'm not saying you have a 100% chance that the market is going to go down, but probabilities are more on your side. You could say you have an 80-85% chance of market rejecting, because that is what it's actually been doing. You know what I mean? So it is kind of not smart to take a trade in between the levels. So that is what I'm taking into consideration on the current price action here. So by us having resistance here and support here, what I'm looking is to buy here or sell here. Now, if I don't get a sell signal here and I see buyers push up, then I'm waiting for a retest, and I'm going to wait for buyers to defend this level, so then I could take a trade and continue up. Same thing here. If I don't get a buy signal that buyers are present and defending this level, then market is going to come down, give me a retest, and if I see sellers defending this level, then I'm taking a short trade all the way to the downside. So as long as we stay above here, you're looking for buys. You're looking for buys as near as this level as possible, looking for sells at this level. If market push, then you wait for the retest and go to the upside or to the downside. That is what I'm looking for. A trade that I missed this morning because I was not on my computer. I did see it on my phone, but I don't trade off my phone. I was still doing my morning routine, making my coffee and everything. But as you guys could see here, basically we came to the level. We gave a rejection. We came all the way down. Buyer said no, coming up. So that is a valid rejection. I would have taken my trade after this 15-minute close here and possibly target all the way up here, but you could watch out for momentum. As you guys can see, we're holding here, now we're pushing. So you basically in between levels here where market is not really doesn't really have a direction, you want to be careful. Actually, if I would have been up at this much, a 3 hour already, I would probably have closed my trade and call it a day. but I did not take that trade, so I'm waiting for my next setup. Like I said before, was my next setup either sell from here or buy from here again, or the breakdown retest or the breakout and retest here. That is what I'm looking for. So as in between my levels, I'm not taking trades. So I'll update you guys once the market is down here or up here, and if I take any trades out of these levels. And as you guys can see here, the market did come up to the level and showed rejection. It did show that sellers were present here, and that's when I decided to take my short. Now, I did not take the short on this doji candle just because it closed a little bit above. I wanted to see us trade a little bit underneath. Then once we was trading underneath, if we go to the 5 minute, I waited for this candle here to be taken out. This is when I put my entry stop loss above my zone, and now we're just sitting here trying to break through this level, which if we go to the 4 hour level, since it's a blue line 4 hour level, we can see how we've been struggling to close underneath. So this is a good partial, or if not close. So the market being here is me being up 2R, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit here to see if we actually continue, let's say, this downtrend. Once we lose this momentum, start closing above, that's when I'm gonna close my trade. So basically what I'm waiting for is this little support here to be broken, or start closing above, so I can decide if I'm gonna close or hold my position. I hold if we break underneath, and close if we start closing above. Now this is the 1 minute, so I'm just basically trying to squeeze out as much as I can off this trade. So we'll see what happens here, and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so I ended up placing my stop loss above this wick here, so I'm just about to be taken out. Not really, but we'll see. We'll watch it together here, see if I'm gonna be taken out or it's gonna play out. So my stop loss is currently right here. It's right at the wick. So we'll see. I'm good with what I got. Basically a 2R is good enough. Just trying to see if it's gonna give me the 3R if I hold all the way underneath to here. But I just got taken out, so a 2R for the day, not bad. The important thing is we executed perfectly from our trading plan, and that is what we always have to do. And that is going to be it for today. I hope you guys got some value out of that. I hope you guys learned. That was a well executed, well planned trade. If you guys would like me to continue doing these chart breakdowns, levels that I'm looking for, and then break down my entry, how did I go about the trade, please let me know so I can continue doing them. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.